My name is Benjamin J. Jackson. I'm actually from Maryville, Indiana. I became a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated fall of 2017. And who helped me become a Sigma and allowed me to kind of mentor me throughout my journey. The brothers of Mu Beta Sigma, my graduate chapter I'm part of now. My collegiate chapter, the Brothers of Phi chapter, and so many other people that were so influential throughout my journey. Being a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated has been amazing. And now some of the things that I've been taught from my fraternity is how to be teachable, how to learn. I allowed them to teach me, I listened to them. I had grit, something that we're talking a lot about during this conference, and I never gave up. When they challenged me and they saw something in me that I didn't see, I kept going because I knew they had the best interest. And this is why it's always vital to be teachable and listen to your mentors. Come to conferences, educating yourselves, learning, being a part of the Sigma Beta Club, and keep going to your meetings. That's huge. It's huge because that exposure is going to put y'all in a place when y'all in your 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, after college, y'all going to be put into a different category where you're going to see more opportunities than other people because you were exposed to so many things at a young age. And you're going to be more competitive than the next person. So keep listening, keep going to these conferences, keep educating yourself, and keep becoming teachable. Stay teachable, endure, have grit, keep going, and follow your dreams. Because you can choose whatever you choose to be, as long as you keep going and keep doing what is right and what you believe in. The song that I love the most is by Kanye West, Can't Tell Me Nothing. Now the reason why I love this song is he has this phrase in there that stands out to me and I live by it. To whom much is given, much is tested. Now y'all really sit there and think about what I just said. The more and more people give to you, they invest in you, the more and more you're gonna be challenged to do more, to maintain it. But the reason why you're given so much opportunities and people are investing so much into you, because they see something in you. They see the potential and the greatness that you are and what you're going to become. And therefore, they want you to succeed, and they're going to put you in positions to be successful, to lead, to reach your dreams, your goals in life. But we never said it was going to be easy. But see, that's why grit is going to be your best friend throughout this journey, to endure it and keep going. Because when you get these opportunities, you have to work hard, and you're going to be tested. But as long as you endure and have grit, you'll have it.